Do it until you get the wire edge on the back.
Now what's that now?
A wire edge. Or a feather edge. It shows that the angle is consistent the entire length. Then you put it on the buffet wheel. First time I ever cut the yoke, first time off the buffet wheel is perfect. I cut the yoke, it's not quite as perfect. It breaks off the weak parts of the edge. By the third or fourth time, it's all that's left is the true edge. 4 or 5 times.
But it is taking the
These are rag buffing wheels also. High-speed razor shop.
I mean, you're taking the serrated edge off, or you're sharpening?
It's a razor shop. Just polishes up real good.
Oh, but I mean, that looks like it had a serrated edge.
It is.
You're just buffing it up.
It just polishes the edge down to where it's supposed to be. Want to get the blade done too?
No, that's good. So, what's your name, fella?
Ray.
You're charging
The Edgemaster.
the Edgemaster, and you're charging me $2 for this.
Yep.
That's a hell of a deal.
If you like this sort of thing, come on out to the forums at permies.com, where we talk about tool care, homesteading, and permaculture all the time.